Can you introduce yourself and share which Integrity First location you own?
My name is Fez Babar, and I own the Integrity First on Davenport Road in Dallas.
What inspired you to become a business owner?
I don't want to work for someone else. My family's always been in the business world for the longest time, and I realized working in corporate for 7 or 8 years that I just couldn't work for someone else. I wanted to start something myself. I've been passionate about cars my entire life, so this was the right next step.
Why did Integrity First Car Pros feel like the right fit for you?
So Integrity First is a growing company. They're very new in the scene. They have 14 locations, but they're still new, and I'm their first franchisee. So I feel like I could grow with the company and help them grow as well and long term, and come up with the processes and whatnot as well as we go through it. So it was a learning experience for me and them. So I felt like I was becoming a part of something big.
What gave you the confidence to move forward with this franchise?
Because I knew Integrity First was a new franchise, I knew they wouldn't let me fail and that we could work together to build something big.
What does owning the Davenport location mean to you personally?
So this specific zip code, 75252, is where I grew up. I grew up a mile down the road from my shop. This was the place where I called home for the longest time. And I know so many people, so I know this community very well, and being part of it and being able to give back to the community meant a lot to me.
How do you want customers to feel when they visit your shop?
I want them to feel welcome and comfortable. A lot of times you go to a shop, you get screwed over by some random charges or whatnot here and there. That's why the first thing I did was change up the lobby and make it feel like a coffee shop where someone could come, work, and hang out. It was a hangout spot, more or less so than a mechanic shop. So I want them to come, be comfortable. We want to give them the best service we can. We want to be their friends. We don't want to be their enemies.
Why is trust essential in the auto repair industry?
Trust is extremely important in the automotive industry. Your car is one of the largest assets you own, and you want it to be taken care of, and you don't want to be screwed over as well. A lot of times you take your car to a dealership or another automotive shop, and they come up with 15, 20 different problems that didn't even exist before. And your car's been driving fine, but you were in for an oil change, and now you have a $3,000, $4,000 repair bill. The reason why I wanted to open up a mechanic shop is because I wanted to get rid of that stigma. I wanted people to trust me and know that I want to take care of their car. I'm not after their money. Money will come secondary as long as my customers are happy.
What does integrity look like in your daily operations?
Being honest with my customers, being honest with my employees, because my customers are my employees first. I used to work at Toyota headquarters, and the way I was trained and coached was that my customer isn't the end customer that's buying the car. It's the customer that I'm directly dealing with. So my direct person that I'm dealing with is my employees, making sure that they trust me, knowing that I have their back, then they will have the backs of my customers.
How do you foster relationships with customers in the Dallas community?
Fostering relationships in the Dallas community is really important. So we partner up with some of the schools nearby and also car events and car shows as well nearby to build that relationship with them. For example, for Teachers Appreciation Week in May, we donated some amount of money to the teacher of the month. They deserve it the most. They're fostering these kids to be the next leader of the country, so why not help them out?
What do you want the Dallas community to know about your team?
That we are the one-stop shop for them. We can take care of their cars from top to bottom. We won't screw them over, and we just want to make sure they have a reliable ride from their house to their work and their schools.
What type of support has been most beneficial to you as an owner?
It's from everywhere from being able to hire the right people, getting some consultation, to just simply being an ear for me to vent to. The regional managers and the VPs of Integrity First have been there from the start to finish. They've helped me hire the right people. There's been times where I've been frustrated with my employees or frustrated with some of the things that are happening, frustrated with the times when we're slow, and they've just been an ear to talk to and consult with me to make sure like I'm still taken care of, help giving me comfort that this is just a small period of time, coaching me to make sure I lead my guys the right way.
How would you describe your relationship with the Integrity First corporate team?
They've been great. The support that the Integrity First corporate team has given me has been amazing. They've always been there to listen to the problems that I've given them, to also come up with solutions for the problems that I'm coming up with, because it's not only benefiting me, but also benefiting the company overall. Some of these guys have also become my friends, so it's been great.
What qualities do you believe make for a successful Integrity First franchise?
This is not a way to make passive income. You have to put in effort. You have to be here from 7:30 to 6 p.m., making sure your guys are taken care of, making sure your customers are taken care of. This is a relationship business. This is not a passive income business. The only way to be successful in this business is to build relationships with your customers so they trust you.
What should a prospective owner be prepared for when starting out?
Be ready to make sacrifices. With any business, when you're first launching out, Be ready to make some sacrifices. Be ready for some long days. You might not see your family for a day or two, but it's okay because it's worth it at the end
In one sentence, why choose integrity first?
to be part of something big.